going to do a real-time test of cutting this paper, going from this sharp where it's just tearing, it's not even cutting it. Let's get this thing loaded. That way now I'll be able to flip it. Okay. Switch this to, you see that? So here is, I think that's 600, yep, 600 grit. And this is 320 grit. So we'll hit it with 320, 10 strokes each direction. Ten strokes again. I'm gonna do it again actually. I haven't sharpened my knife in a little while. 3 strokes. So now, flip it, switch this, rotate, 600 grit, 10 again. Alright, we're 10 on each side, we'll do 10 again. And we'll do 10 again. Now we'll finish it with a ceramic edge. I like doing 5 with the ceramic edge just because I'm only trying to get rid of the burr. At least I'm pretty sure that's what I'm doing. Alright, I'll take it out of the mouth of the sharpener. Okay, I'll test this again, get it in focus. Pretty sharp. It's a lot sharper than it was. I could probably get it sharper. So the heel of it is not super sharp because I started to rip that. But here, I'll start here, right there. It's pretty sharp, nice clean cut. So I could put it through the work sharp a little bit more. Work sharp tabletop. I don't know if this has a part number on the item itself. I don't think so. It was on the box. But I sharpened my wife's kitchen knives with these. Obviously, this is my everyday carry, and I sharpen my everyday carry with this sharpener, and then my hunting knives also. So anyway, there we go. And for anyone asking, this is the Benchmade Bugout 2.0. It's my favorite knife I've ever owned. Super lightweight. All right, thanks for watching.